Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse here, LinkedIn strategist. And today's tip is to tell you how to revise recommendations, whether it's one that you wrote or one that somebody wrote for you. So the first thing that we're going to do is go up to the Me icon in the bar here, click on Me, and view your profile. Then you're going to scroll down until you hit your recommendation section. And then we're going to hit the pencil. And here I have a choice. If I want to ask Carmela to revise this, I can say ask for revision. Specifically, could you add what it was like working with me and what my style is? I will send that off. And then if I want to revise a recommendation that I gave, I hit the pencil again and I click given, and then I can revise ones that I wrote myself. I hope that you found this tip useful. Please visit again soon.